Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store. Now type Magic Fluids and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click at the bottom right corner, choose Settings, then click I accept and adjust your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, select Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the available options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!